Aloha there, welcome to your day 16. Now, in the serious cleanse, we first make sure the detoxification pathways are functioning the best that they can. Everything that we've been doing in the Serious Cleanse program has been leading up to this heavy metals and chemicals cleanse. From the pre-detox and the sugar and gluten cleanse to the Serious Cleanse protocol, the supplements that you started out with, the Abhyanga massage, the detox baths, these were all meant to get your pathways of detoxification clean and open, to dilate your tissues, and to have that happen first. So now you can fully detoxify from heavy metals. Now, you probably know this, but heavy metals are really harmful to our health, and unfortunately, they are everywhere. We get exposed to them from our air, from our food, from our water. We absorb heavy metals through our skin in the shower and from sheets and clothes washed in chemical detergents. Braces release heavy metals, and so do root canals and amalgam fillings. We can track lead into our homes, on our shoes, and absorb lead from car exhaust and deodorant. We get arsenic in our bodies from consuming conventional chicken and eggs. And cesium is still being released into the environment, to the air and the oceans from the Fukushima disaster from 2011. We get exposed to mercury through water, through fish that we eat, through amalgam fillings, through light bulbs and pesticides. Aluminum through cooking utensils, through the use of silver foil, deodorants and antiperspirants, to name a few. Now, nanoparticles of aluminum are being sprayed from planes in most cities to perform some type of climate control. Wow, that's a lot of heavy metals, and I could go on, but you get the idea. The exposure is so vast and prevalent that we really need to learn how to prevent toxins from getting into our bodies and cleansing them thoroughly. And that's the aim of today's lesson. Today, you begin to take some helpful supplements. Now, you have your BioSil, which first helps to mobilize heavy metals and chemicals from your system. Then you have Pectisol, which is also known as modified citrus pectin. This is your binder. It acts like a magnet, attracting toxins so that your body can safely and gently eliminate them. Now, you want to keep taking the minerals and the supplements that I've made suggestions for up until now, such as the Triphala, the Garden of Life, organic fiber, the prebiotic fiber. The minerals help to displace heavy metals, and the Triphala and prebiotic fiber, they keep your pathways of detoxification clean and clear, and they help to escort these toxins out of your body, and that's what we want, right? Now, next week is your mold cleanse. If you suspect you have ever been exposed to mold, you want to do this cleanse. But you'll need to prepare a little bit for that and order your mold air test if you haven't already. It's a simple, affordable test. We also include new detox baths on week 3 and 4. So the schedule will be Epsom salts on Monday, the salt and soda bath on Thursday, and the peroxide detox bath on Saturday. Now, for each bath, you'll need 1 cup each of sea salt and aluminum-free baking soda and 11% food-grade hydrogen peroxide. Please don't underestimate the power of these detox baths. Read the instructions and please stick with the quantities. So please procure these supplies as soon as possible, and you know that I'll provide you with all the pertinent details soon. My questions for you: have you ever had amalgam fillings in your mouth? How many? And how were they removed, if they were removed? Okay, enjoy your lesson today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Aloha.